Hey, we are live on the internet. My name is Jean-Christophe, and today I'm going to teach you how to build a RAG pipeline in Perplexity Pro with Spaces. So I did this tutorial on Notebook LM a few days ago, and I wanted to do it on this tool too because we don't have access to all the same tools. So what you want to do is you want to look at content from your pages and see how the LLM will interpret that content and see if you are well placed in order to rank in this large language model. Um, so what you will want to do is you go into Perplexity AI and you will create a new space. So you come here and you can go to the spaces and you can do a RAG tutorial here. So you give instructions. So what you want to say is just return content based on similarity with the query. And then don't use external sources, only the files I give you. Okay, so that's one thing that you can do. Okay, so you have your RAG pipeline. What you want to do is you want to go back to edit space and uncheck that box that said include web by default. Otherwise, it will include other sources. So what you will do here is that you will come here and you will go into the context. So you can provide instructions, you can provide files, or you can provide links. So one of the things that you can do is you can search for the query that you want to rank for. So you could go here, Boston hotels, and you just copy the link that you want to look at. So for example, I want to copy this page and I want to see how it will integrate with my content. So I can go ahead and copy another page. So I could add any number of pages. So tell me about Boston hotels. So now you just look at this page. And currently I'm just looking at a single page. And as you can see, it will only use the page that I give it. In this case, it's not fair. There is no competition. That's fine. What you can do though is I'm not going to do that like I did a uh, pre-analysis of this. I did like upload a bunch of sources. So if you can see the sources I've used, I've just copied most of the sources here. And you can also make like a lot different you can also see a lot of different instructions. So here, your job is to split the pages in document embeddings and just return the best matching embeddings. So in this case, I'm interested in passages. So here I could just search for the same query again. And then I search for Boston hotels, and then I look at the answer that it returns me. And in theory, if that works, you should have the best matching embedding. So here I'm saying, okay, wow, TripAdvisor ranks well, TripAdvisor. So that's pretty cool. But one also thing that is very interesting is that compared to what Notebook LM was not doing, here it is returning links. So it seems like there are multiple ways of ranking in this tool. And here, the best matching embeddings are all those stuff and it's all TripAdvisor, and Hotels.com ranks better in terms of the linking. So that's kind of the thing that can be interesting to look at. And why are those sources ranked that way? I'm not sure. Like it searches for the web, so maybe it goes in terms of some algorithms, I don't know, but you can learn a lot about the things here that are coming up. You can look at the images, where they come from. You can look at all these things. So that's a very interesting tool. You don't have to do this kind of passage embeddings. You can shape the answer the way you want or the prompt the way you want. So that was a very, very quick tutorial on how to do that. See you in the next one.